Hello everyone. So Gemini CLI launched just yesterday, and I'm going to have a look at this live with you. I have not tried this out yet. This is the first instance where I'm in this homepage where there is a blog written by Google explaining what Gemini CLI is. We'll have a quick look at the blog, and then we'll try to install this or set it up in our system to see how it works. If there are any errors, we will face, and we will try this out together, and I will keep the errors so that you can also fix those errors in case they do come. So just to have a quick look at what they have mentioned, uh, Google says that CLI or command line interface is an open source AI agent, which means you probably we can download it locally and set it up. This is what I'm hoping. Um, and basically, this is available directly in our terminal, and we can use it uh, wherever we have a terminal open. We will be potentially able to use Gemini CLI. So without wasting much of a time, I will not go through this. So there is this available free of charge, 60 requests per minute, 1K model requests per day, and this is quite good. So if you are probably using it through the Google's computers and not locally installed, but maybe locally it will be unlimited usage if you have a powerful machine. So and then get a free Gemini Code Assist. Okay, so they are talking about Gemini Code Assist here. Let's quickly try it. Okay, so we are now in a GitHub repository which says Gemini CLI. This is interesting. Let's see how. Okay, run the CLI, execute the command line in your terminal. Okay, let's copy this. Let me open the terminal. Okay, so I have Windows PowerShell here. I have Node.js installed already, so I think I can directly install this with the first command here, npx, or I can say npm. Let's try the first one. Looks like we have it already installed. So tips for getting started: ask questions, edit files, or run commands. This is great that it can also edit files. This is what we actually need. Be specific for the best results. Okay, create a Gemini MD files to customize your interactions with Gemini. Okay, help for more information, and then let's maybe choose. I like this. It's also dark. Let's quickly have a look what is light. I think I like this better. So let's press enter, select auth method, login with Google, Gemini API key, or Vertex AI. I will just log in with Google. I think this should be fine. So I'll choose my email, and then I'll say sign in. Okay, this is great. It seems to be it. Let's go back to our terminal. Type your message or path to file. Okay, let's try something. Hi, what are the ways that I can use CLI? Let's try this. And I see here it says Gemini 2.5 Pro. If this is the case, then this is really great that they are giving the latest model here. What are the shell G Cloud version? Allow execution, allow once. Let's say allow always. Slow response times, automatically switching from Gemini 2.5 Pro to Gemini 2.5 Flash for faster responses for the remainder of the session. Okay, it's fine. To avoid this, you can utilize Gemini API key. See, okay, it suggests me to use Gemini API key. Maybe I will switch over to this, but for today's demonstration purpose, I think this looks quite good. Let's see what it answered. Once installed, you can use gcloud commands in a terminal. Okay, with various Google Cloud services, some common ways to use managing. Wait, I think it did not give me the answer yet. Okay, you will first need to install it. Okay, let's let's go to this. Install the gcloud CLI. Okay, download the Google. Let's use the installer. Let's turn on screen reader mode. I think this should help. I think I will agree to this. We don't have much of an option. Okay, let's say single user. I will keep the default option. Bundled Python Cloud Tools for PowerShell. I would like this. Maybe not with the beta. After some time, now we have already this Google CLI installed. So let's click next. I'll keep all these selected and I'll say finish. Okay, you must sign in to continue. Let's sign in. Let's go back and check. Let's create a new project. I will choose 8. I will say Google digits or hyphens are allowed. Okay, CLI. I'll say Google CLI and I will say enter. So let's go back to my, let's say hello, can you explain me the uses of Google CLI. Let's try this again. Okay, this is good. It seems that now I have some answer. Now this is working. Once I installed the Google CLI Windows G Cloud CLI, let's put it like this. It is now finally working, and I hope this information video was helpful. I'll try to trim this video a bit. So it says again, slow response times detected, automatically switching from 2.5 Pro to Flash. I'm fine with it. It says okay, I need to use an API key, which I will quickly do maybe after this. And then finally it says, in essence, the gcloud CLI provides a powerful and flexible way to interact with Google Cloud, making it an essential tool for developers, administrators, or anyone working with Google Cloud services. So I'll be testing this out in my environment with some real world tasks, and maybe I'll try to make another video out of it. So thanks for listening and have a great day. Bye bye.